Hey everybody, Mr. Bone here, and we are finally getting our video for May 18th to the 22nd. I apologize for it being a bit late. With Edgenuity being down yesterday, I couldn't even get in to get the particulars on what the names of the units were and all that kind of stuff. So here we are today, almost there, not very much longer to go, and we'll be done. Just think, if you were in the actual classroom at this time of year, you'd be all antsy and hardly getting anything done, and then you'd be, miserable. But here we are. Actually, we would be doing I Am David right now, which is one of my all-time favorite things to do in class, but we're not in class, so we didn't get there this year. Sorry to see that. So we are working on the week. Keep checking Skyward. Anything that you're missing, anything that's too low for your enjoyment, make sure you do it, redo it, let me know about it, email me, tell me that you've done it so I can go in and put it back in and get those scores up. We don't want anybody having to worry about whatever special summer school is coming up at the end of the year. We don't want that. We have enough people who are going to be in regular summer school because of first semester and how you did in first semester. Just to clarify again, their regular summer school, it'll still be online at home, but regular summer school will be for students who did not pass first semester. And then people who aren't doing well in the online activities. I don't have a specific plan for that yet. They haven't told me. I've been told they're still working on it. So that's what we're waiting for, I guess, is to see what happens with people who don't do well in the online portion. So keep checking Skyward. Get all that fixed up. Let's not have to worry about that. You've had so many weeks to fix up that grade of third marking period. Everybody should be able to get through and get that G, right? We're looking for a G, not a U, want a G, so you're passing. So keep looking for that. I'm going to be putting in last week's activities as soon as I send this video out. Now that Edgenuity is back up, I'll be putting those in, so you can be looking for those as well. Everything should be up to date within an hour or so. All right. And then this week also working on global economy, talking about embargoes and importing and exporting and all that kind of stuff. Definitely affects us in our world today. Everything from oil prices to all the goods that we get out of China, and in a corona world, what that looks like. So work on that for this week. Next week, you're going to look at gender and economic development. That will be your last activity. And then the week after that, you have your final test. And that's it. And I'm going to give you the last whole week of school to catch up. Again, I'm trying to get this so every single person gets done. Okay? I want every single person to get all their information in, everything, so that we don't have to worry about any kind of special school or anything else like that. Okay? If anybody recognizes the building on this slide, shoot me an email. Let me know if you know what it is. So that's what we're working on for this week and next week. And then your final test the week after that. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you guys later.